Guys, it's me, William, and today, you know what's different about me? So, what's different about me? I have braces on. So, you can see I have braces on. So, you know what's this thing? Well, I don't know exactly this thing, but it's just protecting my teeth. So, I just got these braces on. Yesterday is Wednesday. So, yeah, what do you think about my braces, guys? Comment down below. So, anyways, today I'm going to show you how to make Lego Dr. Connors and Lizard from the Amazing Spider-Man. So, yeah, let's get to it. So, first up, we're going to show you Dr. Connors. So, Dr. Connors, I took like a white torso and then just painted it and then used a black paint texture and then just draw the lines. So I remember I showed you the other Dr. Connors, but I accidentally broke it, so I have to show you another one. So yeah, so he has black pants and then white arms and then one hand, because in the movie he doesn't have two hands, he only has one hand. So yeah, so that's Dr. Connors, and he has an Ant-Man head and then the hair. So yeah, that's Dr. Connors. So next up we have Lizard. So yeah, Lizard. I'm trying to make it, but it wasn't that great. I used the same torso like Dr. Connors, but they don't look the same that much. But yeah, I think it looks pretty good. But then we use green hands because in the movie he's kind of green. We use purple pants and then color it with the black Sharpie. And then I used one by one pieces because in the movie Amazing Spider-Man he's kind of tall. Kind of like a big pig, but there's no Lizard big pig, so I have to make this one as a minifig. So then I took like a that you like put on like here, and then I just painted it like color with a green Sharpie too, and then I just got this ring. But I don't know what it's called, but if you know, let me in the comment section below. So yeah, and then you just put it on like here, and then, oops, sorry guys. So you just put it on right here, and then, voila. So there. So then the face, I actually colored this green face. Then to the eyes because I accidentally colored the eyes green, so I have to do it with white eyes and black eyes on there. And then I don't know where I got this head from, but if you know, leave me in the comment section below if you know where I got this head from. So yeah, so that's the end of the video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.